Have guests coming over or need a space-saving mattress for your kids or helper? Let's take a look at the magic Koil Foldable water-resistant mattress. It unfolds from this compact size of 91 by 63.5 centimeters to a full-size single mattress, 91 by 190 centimeters in seconds. Perfect for space saving when not in use. What's more, it's PBDE and formaldehyde-free, flame retardant, antibacterial, antifungal, hypoallergenic and stain resistant. Talk about peace of mind. This is a firm mattress that is supportive for the spine and definitely not the type that is going to sag after a couple of uses. At 4 inches, which is about 10 centimeters, it's also sufficient to provide both the support with the comfort. The best part, the cover is water resistant, so it's easier to manage if accidents happen with kids peeing in their sleep, but keep in mind it's not fully waterproof. Plus, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Sleep comfortably and confidently. Get your Magic Koil folding mattress from Sleep Space today.